Hello and welcome. My name is Alfred Grand. I am an organic farmer and entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, we are producing organic fertilizer with the help of earthworms. As a farmer, together with my family and a young motivated team, we have a research and demonstration farm. We are based in Upsdorf in Austria, in the heart of Europe. Our main topics on the farm are soil health, which is the foundation for every farmer, agroforestry, which is bringing back trees and bushes on arable land, and market gardening. Market gardening is really a very special system. It's traditional, but yet extremely innovative. It produces high quality organic vegetables, fruits and herbs on small land, not so much with technology, but more with people. It is the best example for a systemic approach to the societal challenges that we are facing today. It has the potential to mitigate climate change, to adapt to climate change. It regenerates your soil and it produces healthy food at the same time. It creates jobs for young people in rural areas and has a high value to the local economy. We are doing research together with national and international research institutes on market gardening, because we think this is the way to go. Our vision is to establish a market garden in every larger village within Europe till 2035.